Pound USD. Now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. All right. Even if we refer back to my last video, we mentioned that we are looking for the down move, and what we are interested if the price can drop to this low. Okay, but before that we mentioned, rather than the first things, again, we are more interested in down move, the price drop to this level, but we want to know if we get any sell setup, we need to consideration at least the price to drop similar to this. That means we expecting the price to drop and we get similar to what we have here. Then from there we make a decision whether this is can continue and come to this level, or we will get the correction similar to this. We get the bigger correction relative to each other for the next move up. That means our intention is the price to drop to this level. Whether the price can drop continuously from here, at that time this is the only move in relative to this, or we should get one move down in relative to this before we get the move up, then the price drop, or how deep this correction can be. Alright, because again we are more based on what we have right now. We want the price to drop to this low. We are looking for the sell. We want to know how this correction can, how deep it can be. Anyway, in this case we draw our trend line here, and that's why we had this trend line, and we say if we get any down move, as long as the price came to this line, we need to see whether there is a continuation, or as we explained, we will get the correction relative to each other for the next move up. Okay, in this case we move to forward chart. Alright, if I put this one here, okay, if we, as we can see, based on the forward chart, the price drop. Now we need to see what we get here, whether the price from here can continue and move up, or we get a correction for the down move. Based on lower time frame we can look into it. But before that, in my last video when the price was somewhere around here, when was the price was wanted to drop, I put the line here, exactly here, because based on lower time frame I'm sure there was a sell setup here. I say as long as the price drop come to this level, as what I'm trying right now, we need to see whether there is a continuation or the price can reverse. As we can see, the price drop, reverse. May I move to 1 hour chart? I will show here, exactly here. Okay, because at that time for those traders, they have a trade sell here. When they see this one, the price come to this level, that's why I indicate if the price come to here this level, we need to see what will happen. The possibility of the price can reverse is there. That's why the traders who have the trade from here, when they see this one, even they can see here the price was correcting, they should know whether they should take out or at least move their stop loss above this. Alright, that's why I indicate this one. Now the things is, if I remove everything, now we want to see what's the next. Alright, because based on high time frame we say we are looking for the down move, and even we have this one, we mentioned that when the price come here, we need to see whether it can continue or correction, or the price can reverse to this high. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. The question is whether this is the again move can continue and correct, move to take this high before drop, or we can expect the sell from here and the price from here can drop. Alright, now we want to see how we can trade it. Okay, first of all we talk about the possibility when the market open, the possibility that what we have here repeat. That means the price reverse, we get a small correction move, we get similar to what I'm drawing here. That means we get this similar, the small flag move up. This is one option. The another option is that made the price drop, give a flag for one move up. In that case, in the first and second option, we want to know how long we will be within this correction, or this correction can take this high one more time. And the last option is may the price from here can drop. Then now we want to see how we can trade, because the first and based on first and second we can look for the buy, but any buy will be short term. Based on the third, we can look for the down move, because we are more interested in the down move. Alright, when the market open, first of all we need to see what we will get here. If we get similar to what we have here, if we get any small flag, it depends. If any traders wants to look for the buy, they can have, if similar to this, they can have entry above that, or if it's deeper, whether they can get the buy setup within the correction or not. But any buy will be short-term buy. The another one is if the price correct and drop, at that time we need to see if we get a flag, correction flat in relative to this, maybe they can look for buy again. But again, if they get the price, let them, if the price drop to somewhere here, they look for buy, they get the buy. As long as the buy break this high, they need to start to manage it. If it's not moving fast, even for the first and second option, they need to take out, because our intention is the down move. But if we want to look for sell, the only thing is whether we can get the sell setup within this range or not. Because from what we have right now, what we wanted, we want the price sharply drop a small flag, we take the sell. If the price drop from here, we get the flag, we get the sell. As long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage it. But if this one correct and move a bit higher, for sure can give us a better opportunity for the sell. Alright, then the last thing is, that's why we need to manage when the price come to this low. Okay, because whether from here or higher, the price drop, reverse, give a different correction for the next move down. We are not sure which one we will get. That's why if we get any sharp move flag, we take. As long as the price come to this level, we need to start to manage. If we see the continuation, we keep. If this is correcting, not moving, we take out the trade. Alright, anyway, we just need to wait the market open and see what we will get here. And any buy setup will be short-term buy, and we are more interested in the down move. We're looking for the sell. And if I move to forward chart, okay, if we get any down move, if we get any sell, as long as the price within this correction, as long as the price come to this level, this trend line, we need to see whether if there is a continuation. That means we need to manage it. If there is a continuation, we see a sharp move and break, is good for us. But if this is not correcting, in that case we consider as option this correction will be in relative to this. That means the possibility the price can reverse. That means any buy sell within this, as long as the price come to this trend line, we need to start to manage it. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. The only thing is we need to wait the market open. Then from there we see what we will get here. Whether any buy will be short term, or we can get the sell, which we are more interested. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if on Monday I see any trade setup or update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.